Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Myself Prem Prakash Shukla, your mathematics teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, yesterday we had learned the topic measuring angles from chapter 5, understanding elementary shapes. Our topic was measuring angles. How we can measure angles and what is the standard unit of measuring angles and what is the standard tool used for measuring angles and what are the parts of protractor and how we can measure angles using inner scale and using outer scale. When an angle is measured using inner scale and when an angle is measured using outer scale, this all we had yesterday discussed. Now today we are going to learn about the topic types of angles. We all know there are many different types of angle, and this topic is also taken from chapter 5, understanding elementary shape. So type of angle, we all know there are different types of angle. As the magnitude of angle increases, the name of angle changes. जिस तरीके से एंगल का साइज बढ़ते जाता है 0 डिग्री से ऊपर की तरफ, एंगल्स के नेम बदलते जाते हैं. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ आवर फर्स्ट एंगल इज जीरो एंगल. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय जीरो एंगल? द एंगल फॉर्म measures 0 degree is called zero angle. The angle which is formed at 0 degree is called zero angle, or the angle whose measurement is 0 degree is called zero angle. And you see in the figure, OB, the ray OB is in initial position. The ray OB is in initial position, so the angle formed measures 0 degree is called zero angle. So this is the figure of zero angle. Okay my dear students, now our second angle is acute angle. What do we mean by acute angle? The angles that are greater than 0 degree. The angles that are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. The angles that are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree are called acute angle. Or we can say the angle is smaller than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree are called acute angle. Or we can say the angles that are smaller than right angles are called acute angle. So these all angles lie between 0 degree to 90 degree. Between 0 degree to 90 degree. So the examples of acute angle are 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. These all are the examples of acute angle. Once again, acute angles are those angles that are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Here you see the figure, the angles that are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So the angle AOB is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. That's why angle AOB is a acute angle. Okay my dear students, Now our third angle is right angle. So what do we mean by right angle? The angle which is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. The angle form measures 90 degree is called right angle. ऐसा एंगल जिसका मेजरमेंट एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री होगा वो राइट एंगल होगा. नाउ यू सी इन द फिगर, दिस फिगर इज एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री एंगल. सो एंगल AOB इज अ 90 डिग्री एंगल. Okay, my dear students, now our next type of angle is obtuse angle. So what do we mean by obtuse angle? The angles that are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. The angles that are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, or we can say the angles that are greater than right angle and less than straight angles, those angles are called obtuse angle. Or we can say the angles that lie between 90 degree to 180 degree are called obtuse angle. So examples of obtuse angle are 110 degree, 125 degree, 140 degree, 150 degree, 175 degree. These all are the examples of obtuse angle. And you see in the figure, angle AOB is a obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Or we can say the angle AOB lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. So this is obtuse angle. Okay, my dear students, our next type of angle is straight angle. So what do we mean by straight angle? The angle which is exactly 180 degree, or the angle whose measurement is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. And you see in the figure, angle AOB is a straight angle because the measurement of angle AOB is 180 degree. So the angles, ऐसा एंगल जिसका मेजरमेंट एग्जैक्टली 180 डिग्री होता है वो स्ट्रेट एंगल होता है. एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. So in this way we can say that the angle which is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Now we come to our next angle, which is reflex angle. So what do we mean by reflex angle? Reflex angles are those angles that are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So the angles that lie between 180 degree to 360 degree are called reflex angle. Or we can say the angles that lie between 180 degree to 360 degree, they all are reflex angle. And the reflex angles are always formed below the straight angle. You see, this angle is straight angle and this angle, angle AOB, is reflex angle. So the example of reflex angle is 190 degree, 200 degree, 250 degree, 300 degree, 340 degree. These all are the examples of reflex angle. And you can see in the figure, the reflex angles are always formed below the straight angle. Straight angle के नीचे ये सारे एंगल बनते हैं. तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जितने एंगल्स बनेंगे, ये सारे जो एंगल्स, स्ट्रेट एंगल्स के जो एंगल्स जो नीचे बनेंगे, वो सारे एंगल्स रिफ्लेक्स एंगल्स होते हैं. सो वी कैन से द एंगल्स that lie between 180 degree to 360 degree are called reflex angles. Now our next type of angle is complete angle. So what do we mean by complete angle? The angle which is exactly 360 degree, or the angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. Or we can say a complete turn is called a complete angle. And you see in the figure, you see the angle is starting from 0 degree and it ends in 360 degree. So this angle is called complete angle. So the angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. So my dear students, today we have studied about the topic types of angle. So in the topic we studied about zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. What is zero angle? The angle the angle that measures exactly 0 degree is called zero angle, or the angle that is formed at 0 degree is called zero angle. Next one is acute angle. The angle that lies between 0 degree to 90 degree is called acute angle. So all the angles that lie between 0 degree to 90 degree are called acute angles. Now right angle. So what is right angle? Right angle is the angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree. So the angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Now what is obtuse angle? So obtuse angle, the angles that lie between 90 degree to 180 degree, or we can say the angles that are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So all the angles that lie between 90 degree to 180 degree, they all are obtuse angle. After that, straight angle, the angle which is exactly 180 degree or whose measurement is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. After that, reflex angle, the angles that lie between 180 degree to 360 degree, in between 180 degree to 360 degree, or we can say the angles that are greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, those all angles are called reflex angle. And reflex angles are always formed below the straight angle. And our last angle is complete angle. So complete angle is the angle which is exactly 360 degree, or the angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. So in this way, my dear students, I hope the topic types of angles and all the types of angle which we have learned today is clear to you all. So thank you very much for joining my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.